solve x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to y plus 2 upon 7. 2x is equal to 1 plus 3y. We have to find the value of x and y. Now, let's cross multiply and solve this part. Okay, so it becomes 7x minus 35 is equal to 3y plus 6. Okay, so 7x minus 3y is equal to 41. Now, from the second equation, we can have 3y is equal to 2x minus 1. So let's substitute this value of 3y over here. So it becomes 7x minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 41. So it becomes 5x is equal to 40, and therefore x is equal to 8. Now, as x is 8, y, let's substitute it. So 3y is equal to 2 into 8, that is 16 minus 1, that is 15. So y becomes 5. Now, we have to pay attention to the order. Find x and y. So therefore, correct answer will be value of x first, that is 8, and then 5. So be careful with the order, otherwise you might mark option A as the answer, which is wrong.